Dear student, today I explain lesson number 8, exercise 8.1, question number 1. In triangle ABC, angle B for 90 degree, AB 24 semi, BC 7 semi, find sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Then first we make the triangle. Right triangle. We see there angle B 90 degree. A, B, C. Now we have the sin A, cos A. Now second part we have sin C, cos C. One more figure we make it here. B 90 degree. Here we interchange. Instead of A we write on C. Instead of C we write on the A. Now we see the question AB 24 semi. We write on AB 24 semi. Here also 24 semi. BC 7 semi. BC 7 semi. BC 7 semi. Figure first. Figure second. Now we see there AB 24. BC 7 semi, AC we don't know. Here also AC we don't know. Third side we know it there 90 opposite hypotenuse. Here also hypotenuse. We write down here theta. Here write down the theta. Now third side using Pythagoras theorem we find out the third side. Using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse scale, perpendicular scale, base scale. Third side we are finding using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse scale, perpendicular scale plus base scale. Hypotenuse, this scale we write on this side, root, perpendicular 7, and perpendicular 7 scale, base 24. Now base scale 24 scale, 7 scale 49, 24, 576. Now root 49, 576. When we add 625, root 625, 25 semi. Then we write on the hypotenuse 25 semi. And also 25 semi. Once again using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse scale, perpendicular scale plus base scale. Hypotenuse root 7 scale plus 24 scale. Root 49 plus 576. Root 625 equal 25 semi. Now we have hypotenuse 25 semi. Now we take in the part first. Sin A, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. When you taking A, we take in the figure 1 because here the A, theta is a figure first. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now we take in the perpendicular 7 semi. Then we write on 7 here. Hypotenuse 25. Now we have cos A. Cos A. Cos base upon hypotenuse. Base value 24. Hypotenuse 25. Now first part answer sin A 7 upon 25. Cos A part second base upon hypotenuse 24 upon 25 answer. Now part second. Now we take the figure second sin C perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now you see the head perpendicular, theta opposite perpendicular, 90 opposite hypotenuse, and 7 is a base. Now using perpendicular, base and hypotenuse, second figure, P perpendicular 24, hypotenuse 25, cos C, base upon hypotenuse. Now we take the base 7, hypotenuse 25. Now second part, answer sin C 24 upon 25 and cos C 7 upon 25 answer. Once again you see the part first, sin A, cos A, perpendicular upon hypotenuse 7 upon 25, using the first figure 7 upon 25. Cos A, here you see the figure first, base upon hypotenuse 24 upon 25. Figure second we apply for the part second, because sin C, cos C है, sin C perpendicular upon hypotenuse 24 upon 25, cos C base upon hypotenuse 7 upon 25. Very important, this one table you also learned there, already I explained earlier. Now using this one also, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta, part beta, part hard book. Sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta base upon hypotenuse. Sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta base upon hypotenuse, 7 upon 25. Okay, this is the answer. Question number 1, exercise 8.1. Okay.